In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove product from a collection on Shopify. Let's start with manual collections. From your Shopify admin, go to Products and then Collections. Open the collection you want to edit by clicking its name. In the Products section of that collection, you'll see a list of the items currently included. Find the product you want to remove and click the small X next to its name. That removes the product from the collection without deleting the product from your store. If Shopify prompts you to save, click Save to confirm the change. A useful tip here is to use the collection search box if the list is long. It makes locating a single product much faster. Also keep in mind that removing a product from a manual collection affects only that collection. The product remains available in your catalog and any other collections it belongs to. Now let's cover automated collections. Automated collections are populated based on rules, so the process looks a little different. From your Shopify admin, go to Products and choose All Products. Click the product you want to edit to open its product details page. Scroll down until you see the collection section. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the More Actions button represented by 3 dots. Click that. Choose Remove from Collections from the menu that appears. A list of collections will show up. These are the collections this product belongs to. Uncheck the box for the automated collection you want to remove the product from, then click Done. Finally, click Save on the product page to apply the change. A couple of quick points to help you avoid surprises. When a product is removed from an automated collection, it's because it no longer meets the collection's rules, or you've manually removed it from the particular collection via the product page. If you plan to keep the product out of that automated collection long-term, consider reviewing and adjusting the collection rules so the product doesn't get re-added automatically. After saving, refresh your storefront or preview the collection to confirm the product is no longer visible. That's it. 2 straightforward ways to remove a product from a collection on Shopify. Follow the manual collection route for curated lists you control directly, and use the product page method for items that are otherwise governed by automated rules.